see your boobs, kid. Can we see your boobs? He's gonna show us his boobs, watch. He's a little freak.
I think he hears you.
Oh. No way, no way. There's no way.
See, I have no seat.
Do people really do this? Is this fucking...
Be like, are you really serious right now?
Can you hear us? Just nod if you can hear us. Okay, you can't hear us. Get in the vehicle.
No. Okay, let's go to another one.
Bye.
No, oh, okay.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter.
What's this one?
You type really fucking fast.